Hey everyone, are you ready to learn Microsoft Fabric and unlock the power of real-time data processing capabilities? If so, we are excited, super excited to invite you to our workshop. Build a Fabric real-time intelligence solution in one single day, happening at SQL Day in Wrocław this May. My colleagues and I are going to brief you what we prepared for you.
In this hands-on session, you'll learn how to harness Fabric real-time intelligence to bring your streaming data to life. Our expert team, including Microsoft MVPs and Fabric product group members, will guide you through building an end-to-end solution.
You'll dive into key components like Real-Time Hub, Eventstream, Eventhouse, and Data Activator. Additionally, we will also be dragging more of the data engineering side into this. You will be dabbling a bit with Spark, structured streaming, and the newest features in Fabric such as AI.
Our workshop will cover discovering and cataloging data streams, connecting to global streaming sources, cleaning and normalizing data, and creating low-code, no-code experiences for data exploration. You'll also develop real-time dashboards to visualize your insights.
Yeah, and remember, this is a hands-on experience. It means that we are going to do the real work. We are preparing the script of all of the exercises, and this is not the default, the blueprint for real-time analytics in a day workshops delivered a few times previously in the past. We are extending this workshop by adding additional exercises, and by the end of the one single day in May, you will learn and have the skills how to integrate data, how to move them in the real-time manner using the real-time intelligence functionalities, and then build a project on top of that just to unlock the power and the features that are helping you to bring your data at the same time in the real time.
And there is even more. This is more than just only a workshop. So it is a chance to network with fellow data enthusiasts and learn from the best of the industry.
So bring your laptop and your power connector and come to Wrocław, to SQL Day Poland, and real-time intelligence in a day.
Secure your spot today and be part of building the future of real-time intelligence.
We can't wait to see you there. Remember to register and just bring the laptop. Whether you are a seasonal data engineer or a new person who want to learn, this workshop is for you. Thanks.